Good morning and welcome to a very rainy start to 2024. I am at Wallace Falls State Park and I am going to go see Wallace Falls today. Yeah, January has started off very stormy in the mountains, and when it's rainy weather like this, waterfalls are a good safe bet. There's actually a blizzard warning up at the mountain passes, so this is a safe place to come in weather like this. I haven't seen this waterfall in well over a year, and I'm very excited to see it. With all the rain we've been getting recently, it should be pretty awesome. So gonna keep going to stay warm and enjoy this beautiful and very wet trail. So behind me is one of the first things you can see on this trail, and that is the small falls, which is in full flow with all the fresh rain and everything, but it is such a pretty little waterfall. Only about a quarter mile from the trailhead. I'm gonna go up there and get the view from the top because I haven't done that, but it's so pretty with all these different levels. I really do love this trail. It is so peaceful with the sound of the river and all these little babbling brooks along the way, but also with the rain, it's just making this moss so bright green. This is such a pretty trail for moss. It's all over the trees. It's in this valley, so everything's all damp all the time. This really is the perfect rainy day hike, and I am halfway to that waterfall. Really excited to see how big the flow is. Should be pretty cool looking with all the rain we've had recently. But I mean, look at all these beautiful mossy trees, all directions. Really such a pretty view. I made it to the picnic shelter and the Lower Falls overlook. I'm here so you can actually hear me over the falls, and this is the fullest I have seen this fall, and I'm gonna get to the Middle Fall overlook, and that is where this waterfall is really gonna start showing off. But woohoo! Oh, it's always so cool to see waterfalls like this. This is the Lower Falls. Going up there to see the Upper Falls. And here they also have the nice picnic shelter for a little bit of a reprieve from the rain, which I'm definitely appreciating today. The rain isn't too bad, but on to the middle and upper falls. So I am at one of the middle falls viewpoints, and this is the reason that you want to do a little bit of extra climbing after the lower falls, because this is the view that you see in all the pictures, and this is definitely the craziest I have seen this waterfall flowing. It's beautiful, and my favorite part is the bowl it creates with like this mossy slope on the other side. It's so pretty. Gonna keep climbing. There's another middle viewpoint and then the upper viewpoint. Well, I made it to the upper viewpoint, and as you can see, instead of raining, it is snowing at this higher elevation. But I am over here, so hopefully you can hear me. The viewpoint for the falls is right there, and yeah, it is so worth climbing all the way to the top. This is definitely from the middle falls viewpoint to the upper falls is the hardest part of the climb, but this is definitely worth it. The upper viewpoint is so cool, and this is definitely the heaviest flow I've ever seen from this waterfall, so definitely worth it. And also a little bit of snow. Oh, so pretty. But I am going to head back down and enjoy all the waterfall views and the river views on the way back down as well. Well, I look like I just had a shower, but I made it back and just in time for the rain to really pick up, so that was kind of perfect timing. But oh, what a great way to start the year. Waterfalls are always great on a rainy day, and Wallace Falls really never disappoints. It's a really cool looking waterfall. It's massive. There's a multi-100-foot drop, and then all the little viewpoints make it really fun to explore, and the forest is just so pretty. I love moss, and this is another really good trail for moss appreciation. But January has started out rainy and stormy, and if you hike in the Pacific Northwest, you are going to hike in rain, so it's best to make it fun. Anyway, great start to 2024. I have more waterfalls to go chasing after and some summits to climb. We're gonna be getting some snow here, so I'm excited to see what that will look like. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and here are my favorite pictures for the trail today. Enjoy.